Hello, my name is Mike Woodhall. I am the partner and value management director at MineRP. And as a company, we put several of our colleagues into the open group EMMM forum, Exploration, Mining, Metals and Minerals Forum, in order to create, hopefully, useful models for use in the mining industry. The first one was the Exploration and Mining Business Reference Model, and it is a process-based view of the mining industry. If you ask me, how do I understand mining? I will bring that model out onto the table and we'll start our conversation from there. We managed to fit into an A4 size, 3 levels of detail of a process description of the mining business. The second model we put together was a capabilities model, which essentially tried to answer the question, as a mining company, what do you want software to do for you? Of the two, I have certainly found the process model far more useful and use it continuously in our work on a day-to-day basis. I will give you some examples of that shortly. The capability model, probably the best example I had of using that was to map in capabilities of our ecosystem of partners onto the same model so that we got in one view how we would relate to each other in terms of what we could deliver to the marketplace. The process-based model we have expanded in 3 ways. Firstly, the use of the central portion of the model. You will see there is a reference to mining methods. If you want a conversation at any level of detail below the generic model, you must come to grips with the detail of the mining method. The second thing we did with it was to identify and to visualize mine planning as a process. There is only one process, irrespective of the timescale of the mine planning. It was built originally back in 2000 as a planning protocol for a client, and we very readily put that into the context of the process model when it came alive in 2010. And lastly, we have taken the execution portion of the model to allow us to talk to what happens from when I break rock to when I get paid for delivering something to a client. And it could be very simple or very complex logistical processes involved. But essentially, it is an iteration of various mining, metallurgical and logistical processes.